goes William. He was the perfect spot, so I know it wasn't a very good picture, but there he goes. He's raking it up into the windrows now. You can see the windrows. He's going. You can see where they've already gotten one bale in front of him. See where that bale already is in front of him? I'm going to zoom in just a little bit if I can. Maybe I can't right now. There he goes around. There he goes. There he goes. And we're going to look out over there. There's another bale way over there you can see, and some over there behind the old chicken house. If you look over there behind the pump house and between the wash house, the baler's coming, and you can see the windrow right in front of me. That's the windrow. That's what this guy on the baler is going to come up and get this windrow. And I am sure before he gets to me, oh, he had to back up. That means he's getting ready to dump one over there. He's going to dump one right there where he is. It's far away, and I know it's small, but there he goes. He just dumped one. There he goes. So he backs up every time he's going to dump one. Now he's going to come towards me. Here he comes around behind the wash house. Here he comes. He's looking again. So from over there to right here, let's see how long it takes him to go before he gets enough hay to make one big round bale and has to back up and dump again. Here he comes. And he's getting louder and louder. And look at that tractor. He can barely get over that big hay. It's all wound up and it's dry and it's almost as pretty as the hay was the day they cut it. Here comes the baler. Here comes the baler. Taken a lot longer than I expected for him to get a new bale. And you have to go, oh, there it is, here it comes. He's getting ready to back up and dump one. He's going to dump one. He's going to dump one right here. Here he comes, it's going to dump. There it goes. Dump. There it goes. And I'm going to walk you up to that bale. I tried to get this the other day from the bean field, and I wasn't able to do it, but I'm going to walk over today since we're right here, and the hay's nice and short, and even in my flip-flops, I don't mind walking through here. Maybe I'll wash my feet really good with some bleach, baking soda. All right, so you see the netting on the outside of the bale? Can you start to see those green stripes? That's the netting. So see, this netting is on the outside, and that's what holds it on. It's really tight, and that bale is really tall. Can you see how big that is? That is a really tall bale. All right, so I'm going to scan out one more time. There goes William up and around the tree, doing some more raking, and there goes the baler over there next to Great Grandma's house. There he goes along. He's going to go down that steep hill, and he's going to keep baling. Last year when they were baling, they had one of their hay bales roll down in that little valley over there, and there's one over there that stayed there all winter. No cows got to eat it because it rolled down in that valley where those trees are. Look, he's backing up again. Can you see him over there? He's backing up again. He's going to dump another one out. Here he goes. He's going to dump one. Well, he's trying to dump that up next to the fence where it's nice and flat and it won't roll away. That's why he backed up so far over there. He didn't want one to roll down the hill. He tries to angle it so they won't roll. All right, and here comes William again. I'm gonna stop for now. Talk to you later, little farm friends.